Okay, here's my windows. I'm trying to stay out of the picture and the slider. They did a really nice job. Really nice job here. The room looks beautiful. I am just so excited. I hope that gives you a good depiction of the whole room. Trying to get the bottom of the floor. Anyway, and then we had the laundry room and a bedroom, or actually two bedrooms. Here's the laundry room. Looks really nice. And then I did a bedroom window, which turned out really nice. And one more. This was kind of an odd window, probably a little difficult to maneuver, but it looks great. And the molding, I love. So I'm super happy. And Tim, oh gosh, I can't remember all their names. Tim was the lead. I think it was Jason and maybe Josh. But anyway, I will write a review also so that people know who my team was. And I just thank you guys so much because it was just a great experience, seriously. Very professional, very clean. They were great. Thank you so much.